Hi everyone, myself Girija GV, 6M EC, Bahubali College of Engineering, Stavanabalagula. Let us discuss about the project of automatic plant watering system by using Arduino Uno. Let us discuss about the contents. Introduction, scope, objectives, methodology, hardware and software requirements, advantages, result expected, references. Introduction. The automatic plant watering system is the utilization of the controlled measure of the water to the plants at required spans. Water system assists with the developing seeds and revegetate upset soils in dry region and during the time of not exactly normal precipitation. Water system likewise has different utilization in crop creation including frost security, stifling weed development in grain fields, and forestalling consolidation. Scope. The scope of this project is the proposed system of the focuses on the helping people who are always busy and cannot manage their time properly to the water their own plants. Water will be controlled using an automatic valve which will activate when the user give feedback. Objective: to estimate and measure the soil moisture and then supply desired amount of water needed by the plants, to develop a system which helps in reducing the excess of water and keeping plant healthy. Objectives. Then methodology. This is the block diagram automatic plant watering system. Hardware and software requirements. Hardware requirements: Arduino Uno, soil moisture sensor, relay module, LEDs, water pump, connecting wires. Software requirement: Arduino IDE. Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is microcontroller board based on the Atmega 328. It has 14 digital input-output pins, 6 analog input pins. Soil moisture sensor. The soil moisture sensor or hygrometer is usually used to detect the humidity of the soil. So it is perfect to build an automatic watering system or to monitor the soil moisture of the plants. Relay module. The relay is used to trigger the pump. Relay uses an electric to open or close the contact of a switch. Water pump. The water pump is usually used to supply the water to the plants. LEDs. LED is a semiconductor light source that emits the light when current flows through it. Arduino IDE. The Arduino Integrated Development Environment supports the languages C and C++ using special rules of code structuring. The Arduino IDE supplies a software library from the Wiring project which provides many common input and output procedures. Advantages. System can be switched into manual mode whenever required. Work according to soil condition. Soil reduce the weed development, improve the plant development, saves water and time. Expected result. Estimation and measurement of soil moisture could be done. Automatic plant water system could be developed. References. These are the references. Thank you.